Once again, guys, we'll be playing Subway Surfers. Once again. So, yeah. So, hurry up. Okay, let's do this. Once again, sorry. Like beginners are not trusted. This game is hard. This game is easy, but like hard sometimes. Okay. Subscribe to my channel. Yes. No way. I died for some reason.
Get out of my room! Rude. We ain't gotta set no alarms for in the morning. This is the first time in forever.
So guys, that was just my aunt. That scared the crap out of me.
That was what?
My aunt. Well, she's kind of annoying. It's like one of them annoying ants
That live with you?
Yeah, those kinds.
And your cousin that's living with you too also?
She's just a dangerous species. There's nice moms, there's bad moms, and there's dangerous moms. And she is dangerous.
That one that hit you and make you scream in pain.
Those moms. Wait, can you edit? Or can you teach me how to make? Wait, can you teach me how to make edit? We have 2 keys, bro. Yeah, that's what I need that.
My most viewed video?
Your most viewed video?
It has 101 views.
Which one is it?
Hold on. I gotta do something.
Which one is it?
Hold on.
Hold on, 1 second, guys. Okay, we're back, guys. Which way? We're going this way. No. Ah! I think it's
Edit.
How do you consistently shoot in the 80s?